Hello, I'm Dennis Lewis from Ratio.dev, and in this quick video I want to show you how to correctly set the slugs for your dynamic pages. Slugs are really important for SEO, and you want to make sure you get them right so that the URL of your pages correctly reflects the content of the page. So this is especially important for dynamic pages where there are multiple instances, like a blog post or something similar. So one thing I want to suggest that you do is you go over to your plugins and you install a plugin called Cleanup Regex URL SEO API Optimizer. This is a great tool for making sure that your slugs are well formatted for being included in a URL. Otherwise, you can get funny characters in there, or you can it can make it harder to make sure that they're really well done. Once you do that, wherever it is in your workflow that you're going to set the slug, I want you to go in, and it's really a simple process. You're going to go to wherever that is. In this case, it is, I'm doing this in a back-end workflow for this file. You're going to call this new plugin action. You're going to pass it the text. So that could be the title of your blog post. It could be whatever it is, the text. It can have spaces. It can have uppercase and lowercase. Doesn't matter. So you're just going to pass it the text that you want it to use as the base of your slug. And then when you use the action set a thing slug, you're going to take the result of that previous action and you're going to take its URL SEO optimize. This is the function from this plugin that will give you the best result for your slug. That's it. It's a simple tip, easy to put into practice, and will make your pages better for SEO and will help you rank your bubble applications. Talk to you on your next video.